Alright, so we're going to make some lentils for us to use later. So I've got a cup and a half of lentils, and I have 4.5 cups of liquid in here. I did a mixture of some broth that I had left over from yesterday and some water. And then we can go ahead and add in any seasonings we might enjoy. I always do oregano, so I'm going to grab that. Oregano. Whoops. Okay, let's grab this. Some oregano in there. A little bit of salt. Ooh. I think I didn't pour that straight into the pot. That was a lot. A couple dashes of salt. And then we'll go ahead and pour our lentils in here. Then we're going to go ahead and get this up to a boil. Okay, so now our lentils are boiling. So we're going to go ahead and reduce the heat down to low, and we're going to cover it and let them simmer until the lentils absorb all of the water and broth. They're going to puff up and get nice and big and be cooked and delicious.